moto, hoon, moto, hoon, moto. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, this is my 1984 Honda XL600R. I bought it just to like head for a fixer-upper, just to kind of get back into the swing of things. Anyway, here it is, pretty much done. I'm going out for a test ride right now. Hopefully everything's on tight. Did I tighten these? I totally didn't. Whatever. We're going. I don't have much sunlight left. I need my phone. I should probably zip tie these up. Alright. Alright. So, someone asked me what kind of music I listen to when I go ride. I literally just listen to the most hardcore shit, basically. Yeah, I couldn't figure out the tires, so this thing's still strung up. I did go in and get the buggy registered, or the beginning of registration, which is actually a nightmare if you want to get it on road, on highway. But I think we should be able to do it. So the R1 buggy build coming soon. I go Excision Datsyuk radio because it's intensely hard. Anyway, oh fuck, I'm running out of sunlight. I need a zip tie. The headlight doesn't work right now. I don't know if it's a bulb or it needs the... I really hope it's not muddy. This bike's really clean. I'll show you guys pictures of how it looked when I first got it, right? Everything's good. I'll be back for you soon, I promise. I'm not cheating on you, alright? You know I'm good though, huh? Alright, sorry. If any kids are watching, my bad. If you're a kid and you haven't ridden. There's one thing that's better than sex, and it's probably ripping dirt bikes, honestly. They're pretty on par with each other in terms of excitement. Honestly. I don't know. They could both have their awesomeness times. But anyway, yeah, there's a key. It is a kickstart. There's a decompression lever. There is a choke. Two kicks. Not bad. This thing feels fluffy, bro. Oh. Oh my God, what's up? The speedo was working. Now it's not working. I will tell you what, this is much faster than the XR400, obviously. I'm gonna go to the Moto course. Fuck. I mean, it is a dirt bike. Completely different ride than my XR400. Honestly, the suspension feels nicer on this. Oh yeah, she's shreddies like it's wetty. Oh, it's beautiful out. $1,100 I got this bitch for. Running? What? And the video is so good. I got it from this older guy, and he's like, I haven't started it or ridden it in 2 years. And I'm like, can I kick it? He's like, you can try. Your boy Schmaxy kicked it right up. Don't even worry about it. Honestly, this is a great trails bike. God, that pisses me off about the Speedo. Beautiful sunset. Alright, this might be a short video. Let's not get wet. Oh, she gets squirrely, boy. Are we good here? Yeah, we look good. Oh, it rips, it grips, it's a maxi build, baby. Actually, it's a maxi restore. I put everything OEM. God, there's nothing like just standing up in the desert on a nice afternoon such as this one. All right, what are we dealing with? Ugh. What's the sitch? And we out here, baby! Probably going a solid 40, 50 miles an hour. Should have looped the chain up, probably. I didn't like that sound. This is a durability test, by the way. I need to make sure it's good to sell before I can get rid of it, obviously. Move, Quill! I'll eat your ass. Oh. Dude, my moto course! It's been destroyed! I hit neutral. It didn't register that? Dude, what am I gonna do about my moto course? Sorry, Christian, I'm jumping it. Whoops. Oh. Holy shit! Whoa. Don't buck me off. I'll grab one more gear. Oh! Okay. I need to tighten the handlebars. Dude, my favorite jump's gone. Fucking sons of bitches. I definitely need to tighten the bars. Oh, there's neutral. Alright, let's try it one more time. I guess I gotta figure out a new route, because I could probably use a new clutch. Okay, I can't do this with these bars. I gotta tighten them or I'm fucked. Oh! Wait a minute, baby! Wait just one stinking moment here. We got the OEM Honda toolkit. Yeah, it's O, it's E, it's M, Be kidding me? What is this, your accessory key, I guess? Oh, no one can steal your tools, bitch. Give me something useful. No. 10, 12. Yes! Oh, yeah, bitch. I hear someone farting around. Oh, there's homies. Come on, go get the homies. Second gear really didn't want to grab. Dun, 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 dun. Maxy's here, have no fear. Oh, they're shooting guns. How you doing? Yeah. They didn't need help, they had guns. They said, fuck you. I lost my homies. I'm sad panda. Oh. Honestly. I think that's game over for me, dudes. It's late. I have no headlight. But durability wise, the thing shreds. Oh yeah. Awesome bike, baby! Very comfortable too. Shit ass. Oh! I love old shit. I love old Hondas, boy. Dude, holy ass, this thing hauls. Like, it goes, like, I can't top it out here. Alright. Mud. Oh shit. Sometimes you just gotta take the road in front of you. Well, Christian, if you're wondering if this thing works, it works. However, I would get a new clutch probably. Besides that, you got yourself a dope ass dual sport for nothing. I'm so far over the fucking front, it's insane. It goes so fast, it gets scary actually. XR400, you can't really do that. And the downshifts on this. Son of a bitch is done. Alright, I don't really want to land on this pile of mud. Oh! Got a splinter in my pointer finger. It's killing me on this clutch. I wish I could see myself. I am burning out like 5th gear. No problem. You flick this throttle, you just start spinning the rear. What's up, sexy? Oh. Watcha. What's up, baby? What's up, baby girl? Dope as fuck bike. Dude, I just did a repair on the road. What do you know about that, huh? It's a success build. Absolute success story. Hope you guys liked today's video. Leave a comment if you made it this far. Just so I have some good, you guys do comment, keep me going on these daily vlogs. So if you keep commenting, I'll keep making these videos, alright? Alright, peace.